way of winding your bobbins really quickly, really easily, and I must warn you, it will blow your tiny mind. Chances are you've bought one of these only to find that it's just a useless lump of plastic, but I've got a really good way of using it in a way that is going to make your life a lot easier. So first thing we need to do is take it apart. You might need something to prise it apart, try not to break it. Those two pieces you don't need, get rid. These two pieces you will need. So the next thing you're going to need is one of these. I've just got one of these cheap rechargeable ones that I bought ages ago, and it's just been sat in the cupboard not doing much, so I'm going to put it to some good use. So what we need to do is put this in the end here. Oh, I think I'm actually loosening that, yeah. Make sure that's tight, and then we take our bobbin like this, take that piece out, put it in there. Now you want this to rotate away from you. At the moment that's coming towards me, so I have a little button on mine on here, they're all different, and that will make it go the other direction. So I'm right-handed, so that's going in the direction to tighten a screw on. So obviously if I'm left-handed and I'm going to have it this side, I want to do it as if it's going to loosen a screw and go the other way. It just needs to be turning away from you, otherwise you're going to get in a right mess. Okay, so turn it back this way because I am right-handed. Okay, so next we take our floss, and you want to use the loose end at the bottom, at the barcode end of the skein. It's designed and wound in a way that if you pull it from this end, it's not going to snag and tangle. But if you take the loose thread from the other end, chances are it will. Now, this is an amazing tip, and unfortunately I only discovered it very recently. I wish I'd known it years ago. It would have saved me hours of my life that I've spent trying to untangle threads. So just to make sure that it's coming out fine, just give it a bit of a pull. Then you want to wind it. Make sure you're winding so that when we start the drill up, it's not all going to come unwound. So make sure you're doing it in the right direction, so it's coming over the top that way. So you want to hold this firmly but not too tight. If you hold it too tight, it's just going to tangle. Also, if you are able to adjust the speed on your drill, make sure it's on a nice slow speed. That's going to help. Unfortunately, mine doesn't have that facility, so I have to just be very careful of how hard I press the button in. The harder I press it in, the faster it goes. So this might go very, very wrong, but hopefully it won't. And then you can just move the thread from side to side, up and down the bobbin as you go, so that it's evenly distributed. Look at that. Okay, now we can take that out. Don't lose this because this is going to be pretty useless without it. And then all we need to do is wind it on. Make sure that you write on the bobbin what shade it is. If you use lots of different brands as well, I will tend to put DMC on there because I do also use Anchor and Madeira floss as well. So I always just put DMC 9, what's that, 88. I would recommend using a permanent marker. Other markers can wear off and pencil can wear off, and it's really frustrating to try and work out which is which when that happens. I think you can also get little stickers with numbers to put on them. I think DMC do those, I don't know. I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and why not head over to social media and follow me there.